In today's video, I'll be walking through on how to use average true range to spot a potential market reversal. So if you can watch on our screen, we're having Shiba for the USDT. So the first setting you need to do is go to indicator with your RSI, your average true range, sorry. Plate. So next thing to do, just go to your input. Your input should be 60. The reason why I use 60 about it is because of the 20 trading days in a month and 20 times 3 is 60 is 60. So the 60 is 3 months. So remember, when market is in a long range for 3 months, something significant must be happen. So let me walk you through on the graphical explanation so that you can understand how to use this average true range to spot a potential market reversal. So be with me, get your pen and paper if you can. You can save the video and watch as many as you can. But this strategy brings a lot of money to me, makes a lot of money for me in crypto. So now the first thing, let me show you how it works. It works in silent. After silent, you have a loud section. Silent again. You have a loud section. Silent again. Have a loud section. Silent again. Have a loud section. Silent again. May have another file section. So how does it work? This is simple trick about it. If you spot the market in a silent zone, the average range will be slightly low. To be fucking low, man, you know. So you'll be expecting what is called breakouts. That's the truth about it. So you can spot it anywhere. The chart can be in a high zone. Hence, it's wasting much time consolidating. The average range will be dropping because it's a momentum candle. It measures the momentum in the market. So you should be expecting another breakout downside. And we have this one called lat zone. And remember, this is the secret about it. If you spot the market in a silent for a long time, there is high chance of the market breaking out. Then if you spot the market in loud zone for a very long time, there's high probability of the market doing what? Pulling back. That's the secret about it. So if you can know about this, you can use it very well. So without taking much time, let me go straight to the live chat for you to see this because I'm off what I'm about to share with you. So I will segment this for you now. This is silent zone and this is loud zone. So what do I mean by that? This silent zone. The RSI is sloping low. Then this is loud zone is moving high, showing you there's breakouts. You get a point. So probably we are waiting for another silent zone here. As simple as that. So this is the live chart of Shiba USDT for months. No? Just use it as an example. Remember, I'm just sharing this with you for you to have high chances of spotting when the market will break out. You get the point. So that's the work of it, to spot the high potential market breakout without anybody telling you, giving you information that this will happen. So now look at the chart. So first thing you need to do, if you spot the RSI in a low zone, in a silent zone, sorry, all you need to do is engulf this, just cover this candlestick. Just pull up your drawing tools. Worry, you should waiting for what? For a breakout. So what type of breakout are we waiting? You can see very well the market breakout from this zone with a very good candlestick showing you the breakout is true. Remember, nothing works 100% all the time, but you can see in the screen now, after the little pullback, the market does what? The market moves. It's a very massive win. You get the point now. So The next thing you have to do now is to watch a reversal time. That's where some amateur trader gets confused about this RSI, about this average true range. So now, watching the screen, you will see that there's an engulfing bar here showing you something significant is about to happen. All you need to do is to do what? Reference this area and wait for breakout as well. You get the point? I said you should reference the last higher low and wait for market breakout and continue going low. Remember, we are in a large zone. If the market is in a large zone, you should expect him pullback. So here is a large zone. This very area, we're expecting pullback. So our pullback should be when we reference this point and breakout happens. It does what? Set your stop loss anywhere. Remember, I'm doing this only on spot. I'm not using it on futures because you need to set a very to be very conservative about stop loss. So now let's reference this slow. The market breaks out with a very good candlestick. It breaks out. Here should be your stop loss somewhere around here. The market collapse. So now we are moving in a very low zone. That is silent zone is cooking again. Silent zone is cooking again. I'm just taking my time to do this because I don't want to rush everything. So calm yourself because this is a strategy that will make you money both in stock and crypto. I use in forex, but not quite often. So watching the screen now, we are moving in a silent zone again. So you need to start thinking about what will happen. So for me, I will start referring this point. This is how I started referring. Hence, this average true range has been very down here. It has been low, showing me that the pressure is low. So I'm expecting a very high explosive breakout. So I should reference this point now. So I'm referencing it now. Reference, wait for the future. So let's see what the future brings. You should be moving it out. Moving it out. What you are waiting for is breakouts. You get the point. So with voice breakouts. We're waiting for days of breakout. You need to watch this. You need to watch the average range. Watch it. It's fucking low. It's fucking low. So here is low. Get the point. So now let's move furthermore. Remember what we are looking for. We're looking for potential breakout. So luckily for us, we have a very good one. Yeah. This. I get the point. So this shows you something is about to happen. I'm showing you what will make money for you in crypto. You see the money stock as well. So it broke out. So all you need to do is set your stop loss somewhere around here. If you want to be conservative, remember I'm trading this in spot trading, not futures trading. Don't go and lose your money because you will have a very big stop loss zone unless you use 2x. For me, I've not tried some futures. So now, okay, the markets that broke out with this candle. So Have a very good move. So now this is another zone. This is a loud zone, right? So what are we waiting for? You should be waiting for significant breakout from this structure. We did not have it. I'm just okay. It happens. Nothing happens. Sorry. Nothing happens. So we're waiting patiently. Patiently. So here shows us another area. Market is high. So I will reference here. I will reference this area because the market is in a loud zone. So if I spot any breakout after the loud, I should do what? I should sell off the market. Remember, we expected it here at the zone. We did not succeed. We waited for it again here. We did not succeed. We waited for it again here. We did not succeed. So this is where we finally find it. We find it at this very region. This is how it works. So what you need to do is set your stop loss somewhere around this area. Set your stop loss somewhere around this area. If you want to be conservative enough, set it along here. Then wait patiently to see what the market gives you. So markets collapse. We are still in that zone. Any point. So this is how to trade it. You can go and make your research. You can read more about it. You can watch the video as many as you can. Just assimilate this strategy. It works in every market, but I love it most in crypto because I made a lot of money with it. So thank you and God bless you. Remember, you need to be patient about all these things. So I will remind you again, this is how it works. If the market is in a silent zone, you should be expecting what is called breakouts. If the market is in silent zone, the average true range is low, you should be expecting what? You should be expecting breakout. If it's in a loud for quite long time, you should be expecting what? A pullback. That's the simple formula about it. So remember it this all time. So if you have find a value with this, you can, and if you're confused, I can still coach you about this. And if you need more things, subscribe. I share more things that I use free. So do me a favor, just subscribing and giving up a like button, but you can share with your friends. You can make a lot of money with this strategy. Thank you and God bless you. See you guys. Bye.